Hello, silver lovers out there. This is Silver Lover 420. Today we have an Apmex unboxing. I ordered 3 items from them: some Canadian half-dollar junk, a Libra round, Zodiac round, and a sterling silver coin from the Bahama Virgin Islands from 1985. Let's see if they got the order right. My first Apmex order, believe it or not. That's glue. Alright. Flip it over. Alright, it's glued to the box. Inside, looks like some pretty nice packaging here. Look at that. Let's see. Oop. Tack it at this end, I guess. Oh, Lord. There we go. Okay. What do we start with first? Ooh, let's check out this Libra round. It's in a capsule, so we go straight into it. Take it right out of the plastic bag. See if we can get that in focus. And turn that light down a little bit. I like it. I don't know if that's part of the design. It looked like a little schmutzy up there. Maybe something underneath the capsule. Too much light coming down. Sorry, people. That has a nice read on it. Anyways, you figure out that's my sign, Libra. The scale's adjusted. All right, that's a nice one. Put that in the chest. And then here's an interesting coin from the British Virgin Islands. Not the American Virgin Islands now, the British Virgin Islands. Now I probably have a glove on for this. This one is 1985. So that makes it 15 plus 22. It's 37 years old. Sitting in some bank somewhere for 37. That's great. Looks like a ring with 7 diamonds on it. Nice mirrored background. On the other side, of course, is our Queenie. What does that say? Elizabeth II in writing, English writing, unusual. Usually it's in Latin. Let me get this thing to focus on really close up. Oh yeah, nice mirror finish. Now the funny thing about this coin is it's a proof coin, and it's, I believe, $20, but it doesn't cost that much. So this is the first time I've ever had a coin where the denomination was worth more than the silver in it. See, it says $20. I don't know what their money is worth, but I didn't pay $20 for it. With this camera, you can get close, but you gotta go slow. My camera work is not that great. I'm very sorry about that, folks. But that's a very interesting ring there. Symbol back there. Yep, this coin costs less than 20 bucks, and it says $20 on it. Very wide. Looks like it's about 30, almost 40 millimeters. Nice frosting on the queen with the mirror background. It's almost like a reverse proof. Anyway, I got the last one, and there were like 7 different varieties. Put that in here on top of this so it doesn't get scratched, and so it's proof-like finish. And now, here we go. Apmex Junk Silver. See what they consider almost uncirculated. Let's see. These are Canadian 80%, of course. Oh, come on now. Maybe I'll show the backside. My right hand here. There we go. So that's a Canadian $half, 67 or before, 80%. This is Apmex version of almost uncirculated, or I don't know, average circulated, I guess. Which means some are going to be better than others. That's all that means. Oh, come on. I'm sorry, folks. I don't know what's wrong with my friggin' camera. Bring the focus up. Well, we almost had it in there. Well, anyway. Okay, we got one with King George VI on it. Alright, this video's got pretty long, but I found something I wanted to get. That's cool. That year is, wow, where is the year? Heck. 1944, World War II. Alright. World War II $half. Let's see what else I can find in here. 1964. That's in much better shape. I don't know if it's a light for my camera or what. But the shinier the coin, the more it has a hard time focusing. It is weird. Sorry. Let's see if we can find any more real old ones. They're not worn, but some of them are dirty. On one side and clean on the other. So they must have been in a roll. There's this one. Jeepers. Man, I'm going to have to go. When I had it on narrow angle, there's no problem. When I put it on wide angle 4K, I get this problem with the focusing. I have no idea what the hell difference it has to make. There we go. 1961. Nice. Let's see any other old one. Oh, yeah, another King George, 6. I doubt I'll find a 5th in here. That would make it sterling, I believe. Oh yeah, and that Virgin Island coin, that was sterling. By the way, that wasn't 100% fine. Yeah, Elizabeth Daddy. We'll wrap this up real quick, but there's 20 coins here. Oh God, I am so sorry about this, folks. But why stop now? Stop camera and try to put this back into focus. No. Well, anyway, let's see, any more King Georges. Nope. Here's a 1962. So all of them were pretty much in the 1960s, except the 2 King Georges. One is 1950, and the other one is World War II, 1944. All right, thank you. I'm going to work on the camera angle problem for the next video.